About this item: the Elxjar BR-2/3AGCT4A 6V 4-cell lithium CNC PLC battery is specifically designed for performance backup in GE FANUC Automation 18T, Alpha ISV, Beta ISV, and Beta ISV CNC robot controllers and system amplifiers. BR-2/3AGCT4A GE FANUC battery for CNC, PLC automation robot controllers and system amplifiers batteries. A06B6114K504, A98L-0031-0025, BR-2/3AGCT4A, BR-2/3AGCT4A, FC200103, replacement battery pack. With a stable voltage and wide temperature range from 60 degrees to plus 85 degrees C, this battery is designed for higher than normal performance found anywhere else in the market. It contains one of two 100% compatible connectors for GE FANUC. Voltage, 6 volts. Capacity, 4400 mAh. Chemistry, lithium. Dimensions, L1.80 x W1.38 x H1.33. Terminals, connector. The choice of brown and black connector should be judged according to the actual use. Replacement for A98L-0031-0025, A98L-0031-0025, BR-2/3AGCT4A, BR-2/3AGCT4A, A06B6114K504, A06B6114K504. And Allen Bradley, GE. See the details page for more information. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: the Elxjar BR-2/3AGCT4A 6V 4-cell lithium CNC PLC battery is specifically designed for performance backup in GE FANUC Automation 18T, Alpha ISV, Beta ISV, and Beta ISV CNC robot controllers and system amplifiers. BR-2/3AGCT4A GE FANUC battery for CNC, PLC automation robot